Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with Shopify Lite, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your sales strategies with Shopify Lite, start by understanding your target audience. Conduct market research to determine who your ideal customers are. Analyze their buying behaviors and preferences. Next, set up your Shopify Lite account if you haven't done so yet. Choose a memorable store name that resonates with your brand. Customize your online store by selecting a visually appealing theme. Ensure your theme is mobile-friendly to reach customers on any device. Add high-quality images and engaging product descriptions. Make sure every product is displayed clearly and attractively. Utilize the Shopify Lite features to create a professional checkout experience. Enable various payment options to cater to different customer preferences. Optimize your store for search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords into your product titles and descriptions. Create a blog section to share valuable content related to your niche. This not only boosts SEO but also builds trust with your audience. Leverage social media to promote your products effectively. Connect your Shopify store with platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Use these channels to showcase your products and drive traffic to your store. Run targeted ads that focus on your identified audience demographics. Consider offering promotions or discounts to incentivize purchases. Implement an email marketing strategy to follow up with potential customers. Collect email addresses through sign-up forms on your website. Craft compelling newsletters that inform customers about new products, sales, or events. Measure your sales performance regularly using Shopify's analytics tools. Identify which products are performing well and which aren't. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. Encourage customer reviews to build credibility and attract new buyers. Create a rewards program to keep your customers coming back for more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.